this unit. All the information for this wig will be in the description box. And I think this is really nice for any season. And this color is beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. And anyway, so if you want to order this unit, or you know, whatever the case may be, all the information will be below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to be sure to thumbs up, share, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about the unit, what you think about this makeup I did today, like all that good jazz, you know. So think it's me? Do you think it's me? Do you think it's me? I think it's me. It's cute. It's really cute. And it's very easy and simple. It's a longer bob. I probably would have chose a shorter bob. And I still can cut it if I choose to. But I think I'm going to keep it like this because I don't have any unit that's like this and this color. So I think I'm probably going to keep it like this so I can like mix it up. So this is she. And like I said before in the excuse me, in the video clips before, this company is Alishes Hair, if I pronounced that right. Alishes Hair. They sent the hair pretty fast, and I have no complaints about the hair. The unit is amazingly beautiful. It has like 3 combs, adjustable straps, a comb in the back, 3 combs up here. So like, yeah, very secure. And I just applied some got-to-be glue on it, and that's it. So also, I plan on doing like another style with this unit sometime soon, probably later on this week or next week. I want to curl it, you know, backwards, and inspire a look that I happen to like a lot. And this is a perfect length for it. So I'm going to try curling it backwards and see what it looks like. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, do all that good jazz, and share the video. And on the hair pages on Facebook, I'm in there. I need to see my videos. Share for my subbies. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.